Digwitch YouTube, comes the tattoo. I got my shaver dye pack today, so it came with sponsorship cards, a poster, and another poster showing the amount I've raised. I think on the flip side of that, there's a thing to put up in the event that we're organising, and it's just the date and all that jazz. But yeah, I like the look of the ones with the egg box, but I prefer the one with the colour palette that the artists use. But anyway, that's just it. As I said in my introductory video, I'm going to colour this part of my head and all the hair that goes along with it, which, as you may have seen, was quite a lot. So that should be fun. And then shave the whole lot at our shave-a-thon, which me and two friends. If I could screw my brain together, it would be brilliant. But anyway, yes, me and two friends are organising it. We'll book a venue, then see how many other people are interested, and have a night of shaving debauchery. I like that word, debauchery. Anyway, so I just thought I'd make this before it got any later and before I have to go out to Scouts. So I'll leave you with my charity page, and I'll be travelling around with these all day for the next few days. These are my sponsorship cards. There's 25 spaces on each, and that means I have about 75 names to get. So now the fun part. Money, 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 money. My suggested donation for anyone who's donating to me would be anything really. €2 or €5 is perfect. Anything more is very much appreciated. Anything less as well, you know, every little helps. And I will not say no to anything. If there's any special requests that you would like me to do to earn my money while I'm in the process of getting it dyed and getting it shaved, I'm listening. We'll see. I must make a point to make sure I get the money off people. I believe a friend of mine still owes me €20 from my shaver dye campaign. I'm not, my Movember campaign, I tell a lie. I'm not naming names, but anyway, that's that. So yes, I'll leave you with a link to my MySpace charity, my charity space page thingy, whatever the hell they call it these days. Boy. And I'll put a few facts about the Irish Cancer Society at the end of this video. And please share this, like this, subscribe, whatever you want to do with it. And let's see how much we can raise. So, Gur míle mágad, agus slán fó.
I can't believe what is in front of me. The water's rising up to my knees, and I can't figure out how the hell I wound up here. Everything seemed okay when I started out the other day. Then the rain came pouring down, and now I'm drowning in my fears. But as I watch the setting sun,